Inventory reconciliation. One premium sports retail store, with 1,000 plus stores, and lakhs of online sell, wants to automate their inventory management system. Common challenges faced: product shelf-life, stock status, stock gap analysis, resource-intensive. Solutions offered by SmartRecon. Fully integrated process with different systems, dynamic matching logic with UI-based customized rules, exception management with forced match and carry-forward options, customizable report analytics. Major benefits of SmartRecon tool: 80% of savings in resource and time, 100% accuracy with fully automated process, 200% control over the process. We also have expertise in other reconciliations like ledger, payment gateway, bank statement, vendor payment, tax, e-commerce and remittances. Thank you.